Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're down here at the lake, stock trout lake. This lake was stocked probably about a month ago. We're gonna try to fish with some power bait. Here it is right here. The easiest way to fish for stock trout. I'm gonna show you my setup. Show you here, guys. Okay, first we have a 1/4 ounce bullet weight here. Then we have it tied on to a barrel swivel. So we got about 2 feet leader line to a size 10 hook. And basically all you do, guys, if you have never used power bait, I always use pink. Trout love pink, so in our bag. All you do is just get a glob of it like this. Just gonna make a ball and put the lid back on it here. Alright, guys, just make a ball and just put it on the hook just like this. Push it in a little bit. There it is there. I'm just gonna wean this out there. Pretty cool spot here, guys. There's actually a little dock here. Got the fishing pole holders on each side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cast one out here, cast one out that side, and then the center I'll just fish with something else. Okay, same setup in this one. So I got a Panther Martin tied on here. I'm just going to throw this around while we wait for a bite. Hopefully these aren't fished out yet. Like I said, it was stocked about a month ago. I don't see anybody else up here, so. Got a fish, guys. Is it a trout? Oh, it's a little bass. Not the species I'm looking for, but okay, guys, first little bass here. Little largemouth. See, buddy? I was hoping it was going to be a trout, but at least we got the skunk out of the way, right? Alright, update here, guys. We didn't do very well here. We just got that one bass. We only stayed here for probably about an hour. I have my doubts there's any more trout in here. So we're going to go to the pond and catch a few out of there, hopefully, and then possibly hit the creek. Alright, so stay with us, guys. Alright, guys, we made it here at the pond. Still raining. Got a little Bobby Garland tied on here. The color of this is Electric Chicken. It's tied on a 1/16 ounce jig head. Let's see if we can get some crappie. Let's get down here. Ah, this rain, guys. So frustrating. Alright guys, we stopped at the pond, no bites, which is very odd. And I know it's rainy and crappy out, but so we're gonna hit the creek. Hopefully we'll catch some. I'm gonna try here first before we move down. Water's very high. All the rain we had this week. The objective here today, guys, we're not looking for water that's moving fast like this. We're going to look for stacked water areas. Basically meaning where there's no current or as much current. I can see it up here. This is where we want to fish. This is where the fish are going to be hanging out. That's my guess anyways. So we're going to go down a little farther. Like I said, guys, no fish in the pond. Maybe when we're done fishing the creek, we'll head back that way, but hopefully we'll catch something, you know. Only the one fish so far. At the lake this morning. Struck out on trout. But I'm sure we'll catch something. I just don't know what, so. Got some laydowns here. Do I want to throw the EPF or do I want to throw the inline spinner? Let's get on some fish. Super murky water. No. Almost lost it, guys. Got lucky. Let's try that again. We're back here over at the pond. We're gonna try this once more. Nothing here earlier. Creek, nothing. I did throw a 2.5 inch gulp on here. So we're gonna try this before we go and hit another spot. I've never fished this side of the pond before. Remember, this grass on this side is extremely high and there's a lot of snakes up here, and I'm not a big fan of snakes, so I don't even usually come over this side, but figure we would try it, try something different. See, when I fish, when I'm filming, I film here, and then on the other side you can see this pond goes right through there. It's pretty cool. Starting to pour again. You see, this grass is all extremely high, and I don't like going through tall grass when I know there's a lot of snakes. Yeah, it's a slow day of fishing here. Hopefully it picks up. I have my doubts. Might be heading to one of my creeks for trout. but they're going to be so high as well. Not sure what to do. That's where the creek comes in here. Huh. Oh, this is neat. Check see if there's any fish in here. Wow, check this out. I never even knew this was here. It's like a whole creek here. Let's see if there's any fish here. It's not that deep, so. So cool, isn't it, guys? Well, that's how it goes, guys. If you can't catch fish, go do some exploring. Maybe the fish are on this side. All right, getting closer to where I want to be. Okay. Slowly gulp. Okay, we're where we want to be. It's got to be fish here, right? I got a fish. Oh yeah, we got a fish, guys. Something nice. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a nice bass. Decent bass over. Oh, it just snapped me off. Almost two. Decent bass, guys. Wow. I got it to about there. Almost the barb. Or maybe I didn't. I'm not bleeding, so thought I got my skin. We're gonna count that one. All right, guys, we got one more here. I guess you could count that fish. He kind of fell off right at the end there. Almost hooked myself. I'm actually going to show you a little bit more footage. I was fishing off my kayak back in, I think, May or June. So here's me on actually the same lake I was fishing this morning. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. And check it out. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. So here you go. Got a fish, guys. What we got? A little bass here. There's fish number one, a little largy. Over here.
got bit there. So we're gonna throw, guys, white. It's a Z-Man white 3-inch spinbait here. That one, guys. I'm right under that tree. Little bass here. Guys, little bass. There's a fish. Yeah, here, bluegill. I think they just scared the crap out of me. What do we got here? Someone's fighting good. We got a bass. Nice decent bass here. I think it was fighting like a big bluegill though. Biggest fish of the day here, guys. Let him go. There he goes.